Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a squared minus b. This is equal to 21. Let's call this equation 1. And b squared minus a, this is equal to 21. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Now let's provide a solution from here. The first step here is to subtract equation 1 with equation 2. So we have a squared minus b, subtract b squared minus a, this is equal to 21, subtract 21. So that now we have here a squared minus b. Let's open the parentheses here, so minus b squared minus times minus a, this is plus a, this is equal to 21 minus 21, which is 0. Now we have a squared minus b squared, so this is a squared minus b squared, then plus a minus b, this is equal to 0. Now a squared minus b squared, this is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b, a minus b, then plus a minus b, this is equal to 0. A minus b is common here, so we can factor out a minus b into the parentheses here. This is a plus b, then plus 1, this is equal to 0. We have two parts here. The first part is a minus b, this is equal to 0, and the second part is a plus b plus 1, this is equal to 0. From the first part, a is equal to b. A is equal to b. So this implies that let's substitute a, which is equal to b, into the first equation here, which is a squared minus b, this is equal to 21. So we have a squared minus b, this is equal to 21. And given that a is equal to b, so we have b squared minus b, this is equal to 21. Let's take 21 on the left hand side. We have b squared minus b minus 21, this is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, this is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and that c is equal to minus 21. Now to solve for b1, b2, we apply the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything here divided by 2 times a. Now let's substitute the values of a, b, and c, so that now this is the same thing as minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 21, everything here divided by 2 times 1. So here we have minus times minus 1, this is 1, plus or minus, we have the square root of minus 1 squared, this is 1. We have, this is, c is minus 21. So we have here minus 21. Minus 4 times minus 21, this is plus 84. Everything here divided by 2. So we have that b1, b2, this is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 84. This is square root of 85 divided by 2. So we have b1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 85 divided by 2. And we have that b2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 85 divided by 2. And since that a is equal to b, then we have that a, that is a1, will be equal to 1 plus square root of 85 divided by 2, and A2 is equal to B2, which is 1 minus square root of 85 divided by 2. So we have that the first set of solution here, that is A1 comma B1, and this is equal to 1 plus square root of 85 divided by 2, comma B1, which is equal to 1 plus square root of 85 over 2. So this is the first set of solution, and we have that the second set of solution is A2 comma B2, which is equal to 1 minus square root of 85 over 2, comma 1 minus square root of 85 over 2. So this is the second set of solution. Now, we have that the second part here, we have A plus B plus 1, this is equal to 0, and this implies that now we have A plus B plus 1, this is equal to 0, so we can make A to be the subject of the formula, so that we have minus B minus 1. So now we have that A plus B plus 1, this is equal to 0. Let's make A to be the subject of the formula, so that we have minus B minus 1. Let's substitute this into equation 2. Remember, equation 2 here is B squared minus A, this is equal to 21. So we have B squared minus A, this is equal to 21. Let's substitute A, so that we have B squared minus A, which is minus B minus 1, this is equal to 21. So we have B squared, let's open the parenthesis here, minus times minus B, this is plus B, minus times minus 1, this is plus 1, this is equal to 21. Let's take 21 on the left hand side, so that we have B squared plus B plus 1 minus 21, this is equal to 0. So we have B squared plus B minus 20, this is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we can solve by factorization method. Remember, the product here is minus 20. The sum is equal to 1. So we can identify two factors such that when you add those two factors, we get a value of 1. If you multiply those two factors, then we have a value of minus 20. So these two factors are 5 and minus 4. So we have B squared plus 5B minus 4B minus 20. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here, such that B is common here. So we have B into the parentheses. This is B plus 5. Then subtract. Yeah, we have 4. 4 is common. So we have B plus 5. This is equal to 0. So this implies that B plus 5 is common. And then we have B minus 4. This is equal to 0. We have two parts here. The first part is B plus 5. This is equal to 0. And we have B minus 4. This is equal to 0. So we have that B1 is equal to minus 5. And we have that B2 is equal to 4. So let's solve for the corresponding values of A1 and A2. Now, since we have B3 is equal to minus 5 and B4 is equal to 4, then we can solve for the corresponding values of A3 and A4. So if you recall, we have that A is equal to minus B minus 1. So this implies that A3 is equal to minus 5 subtract 1. So that here we have minus times minus 5, this is 5, minus 1, this is equal to 4. So now we have the third set of solution here, A3, comma, B3, this is equal to 4, comma, minus 5. Now we can solve for A4. Remember, A4 is equal to minus B minus 1. B4 is 4, so this means we have A4 is equal to minus 5. That is minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. So this is A4. So that A4, comma, B4, this is equal to minus 5 and 4. So we have 4 set of solutions. We have 4 set of solutions for this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.